Hey guys, this is Damien with Dame Tech and I'm back with another video. I do want to quickly note, I will be doing another free controller giveaway. I will share details toward the end of this video. Now let's get started. So I was fortunate enough to get my hands on Gamevice's latest Flex controller, and words cannot express how much of a game changer this controller truly is. Now please watch this video if you're considering picking up Backbone, Gamesir, or Kishi's controller. I truly believe the Gamevice Flex brings something very unique to the table that hasn't been done before. But first things first, let's quickly go over specifications. This Flex controller is cloud gaming ready, supports pass-through charging, has a headphone jack, full-size thumbsticks, collapses for portability, directly connects to your device to minimize latency, and also has both Android and iPhone versions. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the most important feature that makes it the best out of all the other current mobile gaming controllers. The Gamevice Flex controller supports basically every phone case I've tried and could think of. Now, why is this important? For the longest time when using Backbone or Kishi, you'd have to constantly take off your phone case, risking fall damage before attaching the controller to the phone. However, now it's finally more convenient. And as you can see, the Flex controller provides a measuring tool to find the right attachments for your specific case. Mind you, Gamevice provides so many attachments that practically fits all case sizes ranging from small to large. Now, give me a moment to install the right attachments and then show you. Now that everything is installed, as you can see, the controller easily supports your phone with a case. Now again, this is huge primarily due to the fact that you can directly connect your controller to a phone, all the while keeping your case on. Directly plugged controllers are always preferred over Bluetooth due to lower latency when gaming. For example, when using this Gamesir T4 mini controller, I definitely notice higher latency when playing fighting games that require precise inputs, which is primarily due to Bluetooth connectivity. Now, another thing I want to quickly mention is the D-pad. For those who play fighting games, know the importance of a good D-pad. Like this Gamesir controller, many mobile controllers have a spongy and mediocre feel that makes it difficult when playing fighting or competitive games. However, the Flex controller on the other hand is providing one of the best D-pad experiences I've tested thus far. In fact, I can finally competitively play games like Brawlhalla on my phone without feeling as though I'm at a disadvantage against PC or console players. Secondly, the thumbsticks are full size versus the smaller ones of the Backbone and Kishi version 2 controller. I must admit, the analog sticks, trigger buttons feel very premium and similar to an Xbox controller. Again, this controller is definitely one of my favorite for the iPhone. Now, before we conclude, I do want to quickly talk about the free giveaway. And as you can see, I'm giving away this Gamesir T4 mini controller that you've probably seen me use in several of my FPS tests. All that's required to enter is to be subscribed, to like the video, and then comment #EnterGiveaway in the comment section below. I will announce the winner later this month. With all of this being said, as you've probably heard by now, the Gamevice Flex is currently my favorite controller. This controller provides full case support for your phones and also provide an actual premium experience. The D-pad, thumbsticks, and trigger buttons feel great and perfect for competitive gaming. All in all, definitely check out the Gamevice Flex. With that being said, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my Red Magic 8 Pro and S23 Ultra videos.